Morning guys, hope you're keeping well. Not very good out there today, is it? Okay, so today we need to look for the VIN number. I need to apply for the V5, which I haven't done yet. Been quite busy. Where do we find that? I'm not sure. I'm really not sure. I've just had a quick look on the driver's door on the middle post. It's not there. So okay, without further ado, let's get started and see if we can find this thing. The usual place to find a VIN number is usually on the chassis, on the slam panel, I should say here, but not to be in this case. Not to be in this case. And I think my old Discovery, I'm sure, correct me if I'm wrong guys, I'm sure it was on the side here somewhere, but it's not in the case here. No, it's not on the side. I think there might be one on the windscreen. Let's have a look. Okay, right. Let's have a look at the old windscreen. Oh, we did have this all taped down. I'm gonna have to pull it up. Let's have a look. Okay, guys. I'm gonna go at getting this bit of windscreen out here. I've just started to have a go, and oh my god, what a nightmare this is. If anybody's got any ideas to get this out, please let me know. Right, here we go. Superb. Okay, we're getting there guys. That's got all that cleared out on that corner. Just a whole load more to go. Okay, and that's for another day. See a load of glass underneath there. I have to somehow get that out. I'm not sure how at the moment, but all that glass has got to come out. There's under there, some there as well. Okay, right, VIN number is here. Oh yeah, cut my finger. VIN number's there, so let's get that written down onto this application form and get this off in the post. Okay guys, okay, back again guys. Slightly different now. Weather's quite nice out today, so we thought we'd give the inside of the car a bit of a clean up. There's still a bit of glass around, so thought we'd have another go. And yeah, I've put some cream on these leather seats. These have come up really nice. Really is mint, this car. Really is mint. Somebody did look after this, that's for sure. For what we paid for it, it's a real bargain. Oh yeah, and a little eBay bargain there. There was no cigar lighter, so we bought one of the USB ports to just chuck in there. A couple of quid off eBay, so does the job. Right, let's have a look in the front. Right, loads of wires hanging down. Yeah, give it a bit of a clean up in here as well. Again, lots of glass in the front. So got rid of that now. Put a bit of cream on the seats. Well, this one anyway. The visors from upstairs. Give this a bit of a clean back. Looking really nice now. All this wood or imitation wood, whatever it is, looking good. And these doors, really nice. Really come up really nice. Looking good guys. And this is the bumper we've got for the car guys. Not in colour obviously, it's a white one, but it was priced right. I think we paid 50 quid for this off eBay. No damage to it, just needs rubbing back, and then we'll get that painted. It's got a grill in it, and it's got the splitter thing on the bottom, so a lot of them we noticed didn't come with those, so bit of a bonus I suppose. And it's got the lights in as well, which is good, because I noticed a lot of them on eBay didn't have the lights in, and we did need the lights. So right, so we're gonna have a go at putting that on this week, weather permitting. Well, it don't really matter, we've got the garage, so we'll have a go at putting that on this week and see how we go. I'm gonna rub it back. It won't be painted this week obviously, but we'll rub it back and get it fitted on, get it see how it sizes up put the lights in, new lights in the front. Right, okay. Well, that was interesting, guys. I've just been trying to get the front air suspension up. It was right on the deck, and whatever I did, I couldn't figure it out. But it was actually a simple fix, and all it took was to read the bloody manual. Yeah, so what I was doing, I was mucking about with this, trying to get the suspension up and down, and couldn't get it to do anything. I was actually pressing this button here, which is actually an inhibit switch, which prevents you from moving the suspension anyway. So I figured out that we need not to have that light on. Still couldn't get the suspension to come up and down, and then I figured out with the manual that actually it was this button right here, and it's this switch here that was pressed down, and that's an access button which allows you to get it into low garages and that kind of thing. And that was it all along. So I must have pressed that button at some point. I can't remember doing it, but I must have pressed it at some point. And I've just released that button, and it allows me to do what I want. So there we go. We're now going into off-road position, and it's actually the car's raising up in the air. I hear it. Yeah, there we go. So we're now right up in the air. We'll have a quick look at that. 2 seconds. There we go. Right up in the air. Front suspension is up. Oh my god. Well, it shows you, doesn't it? Read the bloody manual and you'll find out. Typical bloke. Okay guys, little job for this afternoon. I think we're going to have a go at trying to assemble one of these headlight and indicator units without brand new indicators. I've just cleaned this up a little bit. Needs a little bit more of a clean up, but yeah, right, we'll have a go, see if we can get this done. Okay, it's coming along. So that bit's easy. That just clips in there and hooks over, and then that one just clips into that socket there. Wound the adjuster, well not, yeah, adjuster right back, and then the old nut, whatever it's called, screws on the end there. So let's get that done. Here we go guys, first headlight and direction indicator refitted. I'm actually not sure if we need to have those out to get the bumper off and on. I can't remember. If it's the case, not a problem. It's just 4 bolts. We can take that out. It's quite easy. Not a problem at all. Nice fit actually. Nice fit. The line's not too bad against the wing. A little bit wide on the bottom. A little compared to the top. I have tried to adjust that to try and get that out, but it's not going. But yeah, that looks okay actually. Chuffed with that. Right, let's shut the bonnet down and have a look. Absolutely spot on. Look at that. Loving it. Absolutely spot on. That is going to look so good. Right guys, that'll do for today I think. We might have a look at this again tomorrow. See what the weather's like. Right, okay, we're off. And if you like what we're doing, give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and leave us a comment below. Right, see you again soon guys. Take care. Bye bye.